Hey everyone, it's me Vaishnav Damgiri and this is the review of the Sbego FQ77124 Pocketdrone. One of the interesting things about this quadcopter is that the remote control serves as both a controller for the quadcopter itself and as a storage space for storing the quad. So as you can see, this nano quad is stored inside this little space here, and we have the joysticks for controlling the quadcopter. And on the back of the controller we have this tiny little space here where we have the charging cable, so we can charge the quadcopter directly using the remote controller, and we also have landing gear for the nano quad, and most importantly we have the propeller guard, so if you're a beginner and you're still learning how to fly, this is pretty helpful. So that's about it for the controller, but now we have the quad itself, and as you can see I have custom colored props, so that's about it. And another thing that I like about this quad is that it has these LED lights on them, so if you're flying it in the dark, it's pretty fun. And it has two rates, one for fast flying and one for slow flying, and it can do all sorts of stunts, like it can flip, it can do rolls, it can do tornadoes, and etc. So here's a bit of fun footage of the drone itself. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.